Hey, this is your sacred scribe here, ready to do Nature Speaks for you. So this is Rester, R-E-S-T-E-R, and I'm going to get a message from him in just one moment. Hang on. A lantern lights the way for most, but your heart lights the way for all. Know this and understand that this is why you exist, to light your heart on fire, to light up the sky, to light up the world, even to light up your demons. Demons within exist in every human being. The darkness, the light is all one and must exist, must be. For you are all one. You exist as light and dark. Understand this, and then understand and light up your demons. They hold the key to what you are. They hold the essence to what you know. Take this knowledge and run as fast as you can with it, and seek the light within your heart, for it is your light that will guide you. Okay, well, thank you, Rester. Well, that was interesting. Yes, the world is made up of light and dark, is it not? And so are we. And sometimes it's hard to look at the shadow. It's difficult to shine that light because that reveals truths about ourselves that we usually ignore. Not all the time, but try to at least peek in, see what's there. And then use your guidance system, right? Use your heart, like Rester said. Use your heart and allow that to guide you within your demons, because it just may show you who you truly are, that of which is love. So I hope you enjoyed that. I did. So yeah, that's what I got for you today. You have a good one, and I will catch you on the flip side of Nature Speaks. Namaste.